Education Robotics Kit. So today we're going to be opening lesson number 2. So inside our box, we're going to be creating a watch, and we have a bracelet, and then we have our instructions, and we're going to be also using the Alpha Pi Zero board that we used in the last lesson 1. Let's open it. So we have our Alpha Pi. We're gonna open it from the box, and then we have our USB cable. Next, you're gonna be doing the Intelligent Pedometer. You're gonna press start, and it's gonna be loading and taking you into your lesson. Okay, so now, before I launched into the video, we had a little quiz about the last lesson, and I got a 5 out of 5. Congratulate me. Okay, so now about the video, I watched it and it was really fun. So it was about that there was a fat boy that wants to lose weight, and he was running for about each and every single day, and it has been a month and nothing changed. He asked his friends and he was like, let me take you to the teacher. He suggested to invent a smartwatch that could calculate how many steps did he walk by moving his arm above, right, and yeah. Now they are gonna give you instructions to fix the Alpha Pi Zero with the bracelet. So you're gonna put your Alpha Pi Zero on the table on the right side, and then you're gonna get your bracelet from the long side and put it from here. You're gonna stretch it a lot longer like that until the end, yani. And then you're gonna put it like this and let it stick into it. Now you're gonna put it inside this metal, and then you're gonna be wearing it on your hand. You're gonna connect your USB with the Intelligent Pedometer from your computer. You're gonna put it right here, and then you're gonna turn it on from here. As you can see, it's connected. You can hear the sound from the computer. Mission is to draw anything on your dot matrix. So what you will do is that you're gonna go to the controller section and pick the main code start, and you're gonna place it in your area. Then you go to the LED display, and you're gonna start drawing. I'm gonna draw a W for the Walnut Education. For the W, let's download it now. So as you can see, it's downloading and it's loading. So when it sends you a message, that means it downloaded. And you could see that it drew the W, which representing walnut. So now in mission number 2, you're gonna use the display words, letters, or even numbers to work on it. So I'm gonna be choosing the number 4 because we have 4 robots. Just like that, we have it. Now we're gonna press download. So as you could see, it wrote the number 4. You're asking now, what will happen in mission 3? So a lot of people are asking, what if I put one number? That's not going to be enough. But you could put a series of numbers or multi-digits. So you're going to take the same block exactly, and you're going to place 2025, which is my current year. So you're going to download, and you're going to see it scrolling to show us the number. So it showed us 2025. So in our last mission, we learned how to draw or write a number on our dot matrix. But the question is now, how do we calculate our steps while walking as numbers in the dot matrix? So it's by the attitude sensor. So in the last lesson, we learned how to vibrate the Alpha Pi Zero. But in this lesson, we're going to be knowing the position of the alphabet 0? Is it bottom, up, left, right, whatever it is? So in mission number 5, it shows us here the number 0. So when we change the position of the alphabet 0, it's gonna do another number. So I'm gonna be choosing one vibration block, and we're not gonna be doing vibration this time. We're gonna be doing the bottom is below, the bottom is up, the bottom is face up, the face is down, or it's leaning on the left or leaning on the right. I'm gonna be choosing up. So after, you're gonna be choosing display, and then I'm gonna be choosing the number 1, and you're gonna be downloading. So as you can see now, the buttons are down, so it's not. So let's make it real. In mission number 6, we're gonna be calculating the steps of each swipe when we move our hand. So we're gonna be making a variable. So we're gonna be choosing step, and then we're gonna be to when the program starts. Then we're gonna choose display, but I don't want words or letters or numbers. I'm gonna do step. After, we're gonna be doing when variable vibration. So we're gonna be doing when the bottom is above. After, we're gonna be doing change step by 1. So every time I swipe my hand, it's gonna add more. After, let's try it. Oh, it's keep on giving me 0. Why do you think it keeps on giving me 0? I know why. Because we need to add a forever button into the display. So every time I move my hand, it adds more steps. Now we could try it. As you can see, it increased. It increased to 7. Mission number 8, let's have some fun. So I'm gonna be adding some sound. So every time I walk or I move, it's gonna add sound to motivate me. I'm gonna be choosing the sound alert. So now let's download. You could also remove it when it's done downloading, so you know that it saved the program. Now I'm gonna remove it. Let's see how this motivates me. Every time I walk or take a step, and it would give me some sound. You hear it?
Show us the number. 20, 32 steps.
My last problem is that I need to every single day restart my walk to 0. So if I push one of the push buttons, for example A, B, or C, it's gonna become into 0. So we're gonna use the when A, B, C key pressed. I'm gonna choose B. Sets into step number 0. So we're gonna connect. It's connected. We're gonna download. So now it's downloaded. Let me take a step. Now I want to push the button B. It restarted it to 0. It restarted it to 0. Bye bye!